In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image behind header on Wix. If you want your header to stand out with a custom image behind it, this walkthrough will guide you through the simplest, most reliable ways to do it. First, click directly on the header you want to style. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the header container itself, not the text, logo, or buttons inside it. In many Wix layouts, the header is a section or a cell, and that container is what controls the background. If you click and only see options for editing a specific element, back out and try clicking the outer edge of the header until you see settings that apply to the entire header area. With the header container selected, look for the Add Media option. This is where you attach your background image. Choose Add Media, then select the image you want to use from your site files or upload a new one. After you select it, the image will sit behind the content inside your header, creating that layered look. This is a good time to check how your text and icons read on top of the image. For best results, pick a high-quality image that isn't too busy, so your logo and menu remain easy to see. If you don't see the Add Media option, don't worry. That usually means the specific header style you're using doesn't support a background image. Or the header is set as a floating or pinned header. In those cases, you can still achieve the same visual effect with a quick workaround. Add a section behind the header and use that section as your background. Think of it as a backdrop the header sits in front of. On that new section, add the image you want, just like you would for any section background. Place this section directly behind the header area so the image appears where you want it, creating the appearance of a background image behind your header bar. This method gives you flexibility while keeping your header content intact. Once your image is in place, either directly on the header container or on a section behind it, preview your site to confirm everything looks good on desktop and mobile. The goal is a clean, readable header with an image that enhances your design without distracting from your navigation. And that's all. You now know how to add a background image behind your header on Wix, whether your header supports background images directly or needs a simple section-based workaround.